Got one. It's a white bass. That one's not big enough to keep, but white bass. I want a bigger one. See ya. Right there where we were. Right where we were standing. Oh, I got one. I got one. I got it right. Oh, it's in there good though.
I would have bought some minnows over there. There were 3,000.
All right, buddy. Hopefully you're all right. I think you'll be all right. Walk it off. Oh, it's something. They're in the grass, but it's a fish, so hopefully he's all right. Let's see. All right, dude. You're gonna be all right. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. There you go. Yeah. Let's go again. Damn, I got another one. Came off. Got one. Oh, there's a little largemouth.